As in the previous videos, just make sure you grab clear cast epoxy side A and side B and put the same exact amount inside of your measuring cup, and then you stir well with your stick. Once it's mixed, you will start pouring it inside of your mold that has been previously sprayed with the mold release spray. This time we will fill our mold all the way up. Once it is filled, we will start grabbing our liquid dye again, and we will start playing with the colors that we have. So we will use one drop at a time with different colors, and we will just wait to mix them at the end. So as you can see, I already added yellow, I just added some red, and I will go back in and add some blue liquid dye. Once we have all of those put in, sometimes they will start to blend in together on their own, and sometimes we will actually need to blend them together with a stick. So we will grab back our stick, and we will maybe add some more resin to our mold, just a couple of drops to make sure that the colors mix in well. So as you can see, I am adding the resin. And then you can play around with your stick and mix the color however you like. And as you can see in the mold, I've experimented with this process already a little bit, and it almost will look like watercolor. So you can see the other example I've made towards the bottom of the mold. And on the side, the drop. So I had some leftover resin, so I decided to start a new one just to show you this process quickly again. So I'm just quickly adding the clear resin to that other side of the mold that's already been sprayed. For this one, I decided to do the red and the yellow dye. So as you can see, I just put in the red, I'm adding in the yellow, and then I will grab my stick, mix them up a little bit just to create some sort of marble watercolor effect. And then you will be able to see it better up close here, so you can see all of that effect.